In today's video, I'm going to teach you to change your Calendly email for Outlook, update your login email in account settings, login preferences, then confirm the new address. Here's the plan. We'll update the email you use to sign into Calendly, which also controls where Calendly sends notifications and calendar invites. This is especially helpful if you've moved to a new Outlook address and want everything from Calendly to land in the right inbox. Before you start, make sure you can access the new inbox because you'll need to confirm the change there. First, sign in to your Calendly account in your browser. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. From the menu that opens, choose Account Settings. This takes you to the hub where you manage your personal details and security. On the left side, find and open Login Preferences. This is where your sign-in email is controlled. Select Change Email. In the window that appears, type the new email address you want to use, then enter your current account password to authorize the change. Click Save to submit it. Now Calendly will send a confirmation message to the new address you just entered. Head over to that inbox, open the message, and click the confirmation or verification link. This finalizes the switch and tells Calendly to use the new email going forward. If you don't see the message right away, give it a minute, then check your spam or junk folder. Still nothing? You can return to Login Preferences and look for an option to resend the confirmation. Once you've confirmed, your Calendly login is updated. Going forward, notifications and scheduling emails will reflect your new address. If you sign in to Calendly using a third-party option like a Microsoft or Google button, you may notice you're asked to sign in again the next time you visit. That's normal after an email change. Also, if your organization manages user accounts, you might need admin approval to change your login address. A quick note for Outlook users. Updating your Calendly login email does not automatically switch the Outlook calendar you've connected in Calendly. It simply updates the address Calendly uses for your account and communications. If your Outlook calendar connection needs to be adjusted, you can manage that separately in your calendar integrations later. That's it. You've successfully updated your Calendly login email and confirmed the new address so everything aligns with your Outlook inbox. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.